Globalstar successfully installed of Clifton 8, the first 6-meter tracking antenna dedicated to its upcoming C3 mobile satellite system. This marks the beginning of a sweeping global expansion of Globalstar's ground infrastructure related to the new extended MSS network. The installation at the company's largest and longest operating ground station in Clifton, Texas, is the first step in a months-long process to install more than 90 new antennas across approximately 35 ground stations in 25 countries and territories. The Clifton station, which has been in operation for over 2 decades, plays a critical role in supporting coverage across the continental U.S., Mexico, and Canada. Clifton 8 is the 8th tracking antenna installed at this site and the first of 5 new antennas planned to support the C3 system. This represents a significant investment in the functionality, capacity, and future-proofing of Globalstar's satellite network. According to L. Barbie Ponder, General Counsel and Vice President of Regulatory Affairs, the installation and operation of Clifton 8 is the first step in a global expansion of Globalstar's ground infrastructure designed to support its next generation of mobile satellite services to hundreds of millions of people around the world. This initiative is part of Globalstar's efforts to enhance its satellite network and deliver high-performance, dependable satellite communications. The company offers satellite voice and data services to commercial and recreational users in more than 120 countries worldwide. Its products include mobile and fixed satellite telephones, simplex and duplex satellite data modems, and flexible service packages. Globalstar's strategic move signals strong growth ahead, with the company poised to benefit from growing demand for mobile connectivity across industries, regions, and remote environments. The company's Band N53 is a steady and growing spectrum resource without borders, gaining momentum as a critical enabler of 5G innovation. In March 2025, Globalstar officially inaugurated its cutting-edge Satellite Operations Control Center at its headquarters in Covington, representing a major enhancement of Globalstar's operational capabilities. The company has also teamed up with GSAT Semiconductor Holding to engineer two-way satellite messaging systems for its mobile devices and modules. Globalstar's financial performance has been steady, with revenues of $60 million in the last reported quarter, rising 6% year-over-year, primarily driven by higher service revenues. The company has reiterated its financial outlook for 2025 in the range between $260 million and $285 million and anticipates maintaining an adjusted EBITDA margin of approximately 50%. More recently, Globalstar partnered with Series Tag to support the livestock industry in light of the recent New World screwworm outbreak in Mexico. The outbreak has caused a border closure on live animal imports and put cattle producers on high alert, posing a threat to animal welfare and herd productivity. Over the last decade, the direct economic impact of zoonotic diseases has been estimated at $20 billion, with indirect impacts reaching $200 billion. Series Tag's Smart Ear tags are instrumental in livestock monitoring, providing real-time behavioral data, GPS location, and biosecurity triggers. This information is transmitted using Globalstar's satellite network, ensuring uninterrupted connectivity even in the most remote ranching areas, without reliance on cellular infrastructure. This partnership highlights the importance of satellite technology in supporting the livestock industry, particularly in areas where cellular infrastructure is limited or non-existent. Since the company's mobile satellite services are available in the U.S., Canada, Europe, Central and South America, and internationally, it will be a key player in the global satellite communications market. Series Tag specializes in direct-to-satellite animal health intelligence technology, and its partnership with Globalstar demonstrates the potential for satellite-based solutions to support the livestock industry. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.